Today we about to put on these performance brake lines on my car. I told you I was gonna get them. I bought this, because I use the stock lines to put the Akibonos on. I'm gonna put these on with the fittings. I got the fittings too, the banjo fittings, bolts, and yeah, man, start this shit. So I'm gonna show you how to do the two driver sides, the front and the rear. So let's start this shit. Let's get it. First things first, put the car on 4 jack stands, because you're gonna change all 4 brake lines. You see the jack stands are on there on all 4 sides. Take the wheels off. Should be easy, man. Just couple of bolts there, here and there, bleed, and that's it. I'm gonna show you the difference. I'm gonna show you the difference when I take it out. When I take it out, you're gonna see the difference. So it's starting the front driver side. Let's get it. Tools you will need. You will need both 10s. That's to bleed the caliper when you're done. 14 for the new banjo fitting for the Akibonos. The 11 to take off the old bolt off the OEM bleeder. Not bleeder, but the one that bolts to the caliper. You need 10. This I forgot the name of this, but you definitely need this one, because I think the bolt gonna be tight, and you're gonna need this to make it faster. Another 10, and this, hopefully this take out the clip that's holding the brake line. All right, start this shit. Okay, as you see, we're gonna start over here with this. Is the 10 right here with this thing that you need. This is a name for this. I forgot the name. Damn. Well, whatever. You need this because it's easier, so you don't strip the bolt. You don't want this to strip. Make sure you spray it down some WD-40, so it could soak, get loose, so it don't get seized or stuck, hard to loosen. So let's start with this. Okay, see how easy it came out? If we were to use a regular 10 mil wrench, it probably would have stripped. So this is making it faster. The regular one, and just finish this off like this. Speed. Make sure you have a pail to catch the brake fluid. Okay, now let's start this. Take this out. Okay, soon you loosen that, put it to the side. Don't bend it too much, because you don't want it to break. So put it to the side. Now let's take off this clip right here that's holding the brake line, that's holding this. So let's take the if you have this or flathead, it will help. Let's take this out. You see how it goes in there, and I could just lean it on the car and just pull on it, and it'll slide out. Just like that. See that? Slide right out. Just like that. Easy as that. See that? That's the clip. Now let's move this out the way. Just go down, wiggle it just like that. It's the old one. Sheesh. You're gonna see a difference. It's gonna drip, so you're gonna have a lot of air in the system, because we're gonna do this to all 4. Okay, now let's take this out. Alright, let's put it to the side. Now this is a 12 mil, so let's take this out. As soon as you loosen the 12, take it out. Take the bolt out. Okay. Take that out. So this one, I had like 3 washers on there so it don't leak. Hopefully the new one, I don't have to use that many washers. Came with 2 washers. So this is the OEM one. It's the old one, the old bolt. And this is the new one. It's supposed to be for the Akibonos. It should work. Should not leak. This one's shorter. You can see a little shorter than the OEM. Oh, there you go. See that? Shorter. So Let's put this hose on. Let's put the back in first. Make sure you put it behind the sway bar link. Let's put it like this. Put it like that. Make sure you pull it up and put your clip on. Alright, let's do that. You're gonna need a hammer to put that thing back on. I use this to just bang it in there. So this is on tight. Make sure there's no play. Now let's put this on right here. Make that tight. Let's tighten it with this. Like not super tight, but you know, until you can't go no more. Like light. And then use this if you have. And just tighten it good. Okay, don't gorilla tighten it, but tight. Okay, now let's put this side on. This side on the caliper. Okay, don't forget to put this one on. There's another one here. There's one here and one back there. So let's put this one, then connect it, put it here, and that's it. Don't look like there's no leaks yet. Before, when I put the OEM one with 2, that shit already leaking. This look like it's good. Alright, let's do the back. Okay, the back is you know, a little different. Should be the same way, but this one's right here. This is where the clip is. Now let's start with the 10 first. Loosen it. The 10. Loosen that first. Okay, good. It's a good thing. Loosen. Then use your 10, regular 10. Just loosen that. So when you loosen it, just bend it up slowly. You have some room there. Let's use this. Take it off. This one you could just lean it on the corner like this and just try to take it out, because the other side don't work, or in the middle, because I don't want to mess with that line. So get in the corner, left corner, and you just pop that shit out. It's already loose. Okay. Now, take this off. Take this, wiggle it, just like that. Now this is a 11. Okay, so you loosen that, you can take it off. Take that shit off, man. Okay. Get the new one. Okay, this is the new one right here. Bam. OEM. High performance. Let's do this. Put this under here. This there. And put your clip on. Okay. Tighten this up with the wrench first. Not super tight. Okay, now use this to tighten it some more. Okay, cool. Now I already put this on, so it's this washer, brake line, washer, and tighten this bolt. 14 mil. 14 right here. Okay. Now. Okay. Make sure everything's on good. Whole thing like that. Okay, good. Now wipe this whole thing down so you can see if there's any leaks. And yeah, start bleeding it. See, if we did all 4 sides in the video, it's gonna take forever. So I did the driver front and the driver rear. Do the other side, passenger side, the same way we did the driver. Should be it. Alright. Once you're done checking all your brake lines for a leak and all that, put the wheels on, torque the wheels down, go for a test drive, make sure it stops good. If you have any questions, already know. Comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Choose Mechanics, and don't forget to give me a like, and subscribe. Later.